Crispy, juicy, and way better than takeout. You have to try these. Stop ordering takeout wings. This air fryer recipe is gonna be really easy, really simple to do, just a few ingredients and your air fryer. Let me show you how I do it. Start with some clean, dry chicken wings. Make sure to pat them dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispy. So now I'm gonna coat with some flour, about 2 tablespoons, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. That's gonna help crisp things up. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, again for crispiness. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix all these ingredients together in a large bowl, coat them nicely. You want to make sure that they're completely coated. After we're done coating them, let it sit for about 10 minutes so the coating sticks nice and tight. We're going to preheat the air fryer to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and into the air fryer the wings go. I'm going to lower the temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them for about 20 minutes. Low and slow, that's what's going to get the initial crisp. After the initial crisp, take them out and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Trust me, it'll make the difference. Now flip them over and add a little bit more seasoning if you want. This will only punch up the flavor. Now crank the air fryer up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and go for another 8 minutes total. You can flip them after about 4 minutes, but I suggest you leave them for the 8 minutes so you get a nice crispy crust. Make sure to lay them with the skin side up this time. Now for the sauce. You can use buffalo sauce, barbecue sauce, garlic parm, go wild, anything you like. I like using the Stubbs Hickory Bourbon Legendary Barbecue Sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of Chipotle Tabasco sauce to give it some heat, a little olive oil, and a couple of pads of butter. That will make it nice and smooth and it'll stick right to the chicken. Toss the sauce over the chicken in a large bowl and you're ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this wing recipe. Drop a comment with your favorite wing flavor. Hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes just like this, and I'll see you in the next recipe.